Hello, students and parents. Disclaimer: these are my views, and you are not required to agree to them at all. In this video, I'm going to tell you how above mentioned platforms are scamming you of your money and quality alternatives that you have never heard of. Let's begin. Byju's was founded in 2011 by Baiju Ravindran. It started out as one of the first education platforms that was online in India. With catchy advertisements, slogans, Byju's was able to capture a good market cap. However, if we talk about today, its deterioration is clearly visible. A parent on Quora revealed that Byju's is a predatory company that has scammed its way to unicorn status by exploiting the fears of Indian parents. And that's not all. An ex-employee of Byju's revealed the toxic work culture in Byju's. An audio recording was leaked in which a Byju's business manager was revealed to be abusing his employee. He was being abused for not being able to meet the sales quota. Is this what happens in an education platform? For not meeting the sales quota, an employee is abused. The ex-employee Malpani said, and I quote, Byju's products are progressive as it encourages students to cram for tests with a myopic goal of scoring high marks. Unacademy was founded by Gaurav Munjal, Roman Saini, and Himesh Singh. I believe it was one of the more ambitious projects in India. However, what has become of it now is nowhere near the image that Roman Saini once imagined. Roman Saini imagined Unacademy to be a platform that was free and available to everyone. In recent years, this has changed, and Unacademy has become more of a paid platform. And quality teaching that comes with money is missing in Unacademy. Now, I am not going to say much about Whitehead Jr., but let me just say a story. Once upon a time, Chintu made an app for which thousands of companies approached to pay him thousands of dollars. Now all you have to do to make your child a Chintu is pay 20,000 a year, and Whitehead Jr. will make sure that your child becomes a Chintu. All I'm trying to say is that Whitehead Jr. is trying to prey on parents' weaknesses. Having unrealistic expectations from your children won't make your child a genius. And trusting platforms like Whitehead Jr. to do the task for your child may make him lose his way in the near future. For aspiring teachers, it is not about making difficult things easy. It is about helping understand difficult things and how to tackle them. And no, easy things and understanding difficult things are not the same. For students, it is not for a teacher to make you understand. It is also for you to want to understand. If you are paying money to Byju's, Unacademy, or Whitehead Jr. to help you understand and get quality education, then my friend, you are losing a lot on what you can learn. And as I said earlier, learning is not about making difficult things easy. Learning is about understanding difficult things. So, what are the alternatives that we have? What online platforms can we use to get quality education? It's not about being free or being paid, it's about quality education. You may or may not have heard about Khan Academy. Khan Academy was created by Salman Khan, and no, he's not the Bhai. He is one of the more ambitious creators who created an academy that is truly free for everyone, everywhere. We do not see much advertisements of Khan Academy here because they are not concerned about advertising their content. They believe in creating quality content, quality education, so that anyone who watches them can understand what they want to understand. Hey Somnath, what about coding? Where can I learn coding from? If you're truly passionate about programming, I suggest you check out MIT OCW, Massachusetts Institute of Technology Open Courseware. It was launched in 2003 and was created with the initiative to make all their courses online freely available to anyone anywhere. Check out their undergraduate course for computer science engineering and Python programming. It is one of the best I've ever seen. Now, hear me out. These two are not the only alternatives. Search on YouTube. There are many free courses available. Search by your preferences. Watch videos and understand whether you like them or not. In YouTube, almost everything is free. So why wait? So, dear students, do you agree with me or not? Leave it down in the comment below. For more such content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you very much.